If you're here, you know you're here for the Umbrella Academy Season 2 trailer reaction. I'm a little late to join the bandwagon, so without any delay, let's go into the trailer and watch the trailer. I haven't seen the trailer yet, so let's go ahead and see the trailer together. And I'm playing. Let's go.
Loser! Diego!
This can't be right. What the hell did we do now?
What was that?
The end of the world, November 25th, 1963.
And where am I now?
Dallas, 10 days earlier.
I need to find my family.
Interesting.
All right, first off, I want to say we brought the end of the world back here with us.
Oh my God, again? My cult is gonna be so pissed. I told him we had until 2019.
We have until Monday.
Everything in our new lives is connected to the plot to assassinate the president. That can't be a coincidence.
None of us are supposed to be here, right?
We know something changes the timeline. We have to make it right again. Before everyone and everything we know is dead.
Who are those guys?
They're not here to sell vacuums.
The commission will hunt us down wherever and whenever we go. I need a spotter.
What is that, like a wingman?
You don't know anything about
I know everything. You are an open book written for very dumb children.
Klaus, it's Ben here.
No, unfortunately, ghosts can't time travel.
Are you kidding me? All right, quick rundown. Luther, super strength. Klaus can commune with the dead. Allison can rumor anyone to do anything.
Except she never uses it.
I heard a rumor. You punched yourself in the face.
Yay! Okay, that I was like, I mean, before we get into it, I really loved the trailer, right? I mean, it's like an action-packed trailer. There's so much to look forward to, and you all know that at the end of season one, number five helped, the siblings to escape the apocalypse.
It's working!
The pieces of moon literally made the earth into a pulp and we are all dead. But right now, when they travel back, so they are back in the year 1963 and they have like 10 days left to save the world. So the apocalypse is moved from 2019 much earlier to 1963, and it looks like it has JFK assassin somewhere linked, and that's like wow, amazing. I see, Klaus, who has a cult and he has a cult following, and that's interesting to see. And we should see how Vanya is actually handling the whole thing because it's because of her. She brought the apocalypse, and I don't know how she is dealing with things. And, how did number five get to, a point where it's already the end of the world. in 1963, and he travels back, to bring the family together. I think the family is scattered, so I think when they travel back in time, I don't know how long ago it is, because everyone seemed to be having their own life. They're carrying on with their lives when number 5 returns and reunites them to once again save the world from the apocalypse. And yeah, so anybody who's interested in watching Umbrella Academy, it is completely go bonkers uh, kind of a series, and I love it. One question that I always had in mind was about the other 36 children, right? Because the random strangers, gave birth to 43 babies, and only 7 of them were adopted. And what happened to the other 36 babies? Now, have they all died in the apocalypse that happened in 2019, or would they be back, now in season 2 and have a reappearance? Because if you know that there are few new characters introduced in season 2, and I'm just thinking they could be some of the few babies who are full grown now, and somehow they have made it to 1963. I don't know, it's just my guess. But if that's the case, then it'll be awesome, or it'll be even better if all 36 of them somehow make an appearance to form a full blown team to save the world from the apocalypse. I don't know, I'm just saying that would be crazy. But yeah, we do not know about these 36 babies. Do they even have superpowers? Because see, that's not told as well, right? These 7 were chosen, but we do not know if the rest of the babies have, or they don't have any powers. It could be they have the powers, but because they were not adopted, they were not really in a position to realize that they have superpowers. Maybe. Season 2 trailer just gives us all kinds of chills, I would say, with Klaus having like some crazy cult following. He seems to be like a cult leader of some sort. And we see Allison sitting with an unknown man, and maybe she's in a relationship with this man. We don't know, we should find out. And Hazel is back in season 2. You can see him talking with number 5, and he's the one who's telling him that, hey, you know what, you just saw the apocalypse that's going to happen in 10 days. So I think this time Hazel is not trying to kill these guys, but maybe Hazel will help number 5 to save the world. But we are not seeing Cha-Cha here along with Hazel, but Hazel appears to be an older man, right? He's much older in this. Of course, these are time traveling assassins, so God knows what happened in between. Yes, and JFK's assassin seems to be, the central theme. So that's all I know. That's all I have, and I'm just like so waiting to see the season 2, which is releasing on July 31st. So we have about 15 days until the season 2 releases. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are as well. My headphones is just like, if you haven't watched season 1, it's not too late. You can watch season 1. I hope I didn't give away too much of spoilers. Anybody who's watched season 1 would have understood what I was talking, but if you haven't watched season 1, go ahead and watch it. It has 10 episodes. It's great. I love it, and you would love it as well. It has got comedy, black comedy, dark comedy, of course, and it's got drama. You look at the traumatized family stuff, and you've got superheroes, sci-fi, fantasy, whatnot. I'm telling you, it's like a tightly packed stuff which has a lot of things, so it can satisfy you in one way or the other. If that sounded weird, yeah. I'm excited to watch the season 2 of the Umbrella Academy. Are you excited, or will you be watching the season 2? If so, do mention in the comments below and share your thoughts. Maybe I should do a recap of season 1 for the benefit of the people who watched it, but it's long ago, right? I mean, Feb 2019 was the last episode where the pieces of the moon killed all of us. Alrighty, so I'll see you guys on another video, but you can check out these videos of mine. And in the meantime, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, for I upload videos every week. So stay connected, support me, and I'll see you soon on another video. See, that's out. Bye.